Hey guys, this is Greg here today to talk about open D tuning. Open D is a tuning that's been around a long time. It's nothing new, but it's fun and it sounds good, and it's not that difficult to play once you play for a while and start to learn some fingerings. Here's how it sounds. Now I have a capo on the 4th fret because I like the sound that way, but basically it's D, A, D, F sharp, A, D, starting with this D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. And rather than explain every fingering, I'm just going to slowly play a few ideas that you might use and should be able to see as I play the guitar. Here's the chord and how it sounds. Just let the guitar ring and listen to how nice it sounds when you're playing your guitar. And then you can suspend the chord this way. Fingers, just like that. And you can suspend it halfway by just using the index, which would sound like this. One song you might recognize that would have the half suspension starts like this. That's how they start free-falling. When you play the full chord like this, here's an idea of maybe a Led Zeppelin song. Same fingering, they just slide it up 2 frets. They don't change the shape. Change the shape slightly, you'll get something like this. There's the suspension. I did it all on the 3rd fret there. There's your suspension. Now if you just look at the top 3 strings, those are only 3 strings. It's not even a chord, it's a root, a 5th, and an octave. Just think about those for a minute. They just scream rock and roll. Example. You could swing that to get more of a blues idea. There's some other fairly easy ideas. One might be this. There's so much in here. The pentatonic scale, here it is within the open D. That's the first half. Skip a string. I'll do it coming down. Skip a string. Now if you take the bottom part of the guitar, meaning the 4 strings closest to the floor, just play those 4, and you can suspend them. It's almost opposite of this. It's this. It's going to be index and ring. Example. You can slide up the neck, bring them together. You can go up higher if you want. I don't have a cutaway, so I'm not going to. You could bring the ring finger up to the next string instead of the lowest one, I should say the highest one, and you get this. Instead of, here it is first. And then the full D. The actual pitch in this tuning with the capo is actually an F, but the fingerings would be the same whether you had a capo on or not. Let's see, here's an idea for finger picking, FYI. This is Blackbird, might be done like this if you did it in an open tuning. So, you're keeping that string there is the one that continues to resonate in Blackbird. And then he'll go to the 5th fret, although McCartney does it in standard tuning. There's that D. The other part of the song right here. Minor. Here's the minor. One more time. Okay, and then lastly, some noodling around within the whole chord, sort of Keith Richards style, might be this, where you suspend. I would highly recommend playing in D and just having fun with it. If you have two guitars, maybe have a second guitar tuned this way, and then just sort of abandon your thoughts about standard tuning, which is an awesome tuning. But this one is sort of one where the guitar opens up. There's a lot of possibilities, so much more than we could ever cover in 10 minutes. So have fun. Remember, without capo, D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. Have fun. Bye-bye.